Oh, great investors. My name is Mr. Stephen, also known as Mr. Patmos, your number one top rector. I am bringing you an update on this very property, Vopnu City Ocean View Estate. I have been bringing updates about this very property. And today, I want to bring another update, the latest update concerning this very property. And what is the update? The update is that today is the 12th of May 2024. By the 15th, which is Wednesday, this property, Vopnu City Ocean View, the price increase extension will elapse. And by the 16th of this month, this property will be selling for 40 million naira. Imagine appreciation of 10 million for those who subscribed when it was 30 million. You see, this is the reason why I am bringing this update to you, so that you can invest in this property now. You see, there is a reason why this property is appreciating so much. It is because of what is going on in this axis. And what is that? The coastal route that is coming from Ahmadu Bello Way, Victoria Island. It will pass in the front of this estate. And this coastal route going through Lekki Free Trade Zone, Dangote Refinery, and right down to Calabar. That is why this property is appreciating like this. So, ladies and gentlemen, my great investors, this is the time for you to invest in this very property. You know, when a coastal road passes through, an estate, it will give it visibility and appreciation. That is one reason also you should subscribe from this property. I tell you, add this property to your real estate portfolio. You will never regret it. You can use this place and build your dream home. That dream house you want to build, you build it in this tranquil and serene environment. You can also buy some acres, 1 acre or 2 acres, and use it as a resort. Imagine building a resort in this place where there is a coastal road in front and a beach at the back. It will attract a lot of customers. Therefore, my dear investors, this is the time for you to come. This property has the title Governor's Consent. And there are 2 routes to access this property. It's either you take Eko Akete or Monastery Road, Shangotedo, to access this property. And the neighborhoods, we talk about the Novera Mall, ShopRite, Shangotedo, Diamond Estate, Crown Estate, Shangotedo Market. Also, Corona School and Green Spring School, they are the neighborhood of this very property. And it is located at the back of Ibeju GRA. So, ladies and gentlemen, the time to invest in this property is now. Call the number on the screen and I will help you secure plots of land in this very place. Call the number on the screen. Just as I said, my name remains Mr. Stephen, also known as Mr. Patmos. Please, if you have not even subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I plead with you, subscribe. God bless you. Thank you.